Hi guys, I'm gonna show how to make a small octagonal lantern. First of all, we need a glue and some tape. And second, we have an announcement. The blue line is an infolding and red line is an outfolding. So in blue line, we have to fold it like this. Fold it like this. And red line, we need to fold like outline. Like this. And let's start. We need to fold all this stuff. This is a red line. Be careful. Red line, so we need to fold out folding. And here. And here. Fold all. If you fold all this page, make an octagonal shape by sticking the both sides of red colored edges. Here. Red color edges. I'm gonna use this glue, but you can use this glue. Make sure to glue it all. And its upper part. Fold up both pre-tuning red sections. Attach them. And then pull them out of the other slots at the center. Like this. It's almost done. In the first paper, you can see another small one. Folding here and glue it. And the bottom of the side. Glue it well. like this. It's all done. Thank you for seeing this video.